you did several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your...
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video I have a spring speed clean and a little bit of decorating in today's video. I got some new curtains for the living room and the dining room, so that's where we're starting. I'm going to be ironing these curtains and I'm definitely on the fence about them, so I would love your input on whether you like them or not. I'm going to let some music play. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. So I'm going to get these curtains ironed and I'll be back in just a little bit.
I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. We run and go still every time. Whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call it your ex? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer pregnant for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. I don't need no.
So if you guys are brand new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jessa. This channel, I primarily do cleaning motivation, and I have a series going on my channel right now called My Home Refresh. And essentially in 2020, Chris and I have decided to repaint our entire house. And there's always a playlist linked down in my description box, and I have taken you guys along for the ride. So if you want to get caught up, like I said, if you're new here, definitely check out that playlist linked down below. And you guys can see all the progress that we've made in this house. We bought this house in 2013 and it is a fixer-upper, and we are just like doing our best to make it ours on a very, very tight budget. So that is where kind of like the new curtains come in. My home refresh, I have just paired it with painting, cleaning or deep cleaning, decluttering, organizing, decorating. But my living room and my dining room, like the main space of the house, Chris and I are at an impasse. And I would love to hear your guys' thoughts on this. I feel like I talk to you about it in every video, but I'm just so on the fence. So as you can see, I have the new curtains hung up. I didn't hang them up on camera because it was just a total disaster and like I just wanted to get it done. But on the left, actually you can see them now that I've moved that blanket. That's what our old curtains looked like. They were like a darker brown. So, Chris and I are at an impasse because I actually want to paint the entire main floor of our house. It's currently the green color that you see on the walls right now, and I have some other wider shots that you'll see a little bit later in the video so you guys can get a good idea of what the green looks like and the new curtains. Definitely let me know what you guys think because I am on the fence about the curtains. I do think I'm going to keep them, but I'm not totally 100%. So I want to paint the main floor of the house. I like the green. I think it served us well. I think it's a beautiful green, but it's just not the vision that I have for the space anymore, and I'm just kind of done with it, you know? It's been this color since 2013, and I'm just kind of like ready for a fresh start and a new beginning. So I want to paint the green. Chris is totally 100% in love with the green and wants to keep it. So we are kind of just at an impasse right now because we can't get along. So we had this idea that like, okay, let's get some new curtains and like maybe let's get some new decor and see how it looks with the green and then see where we are from there. I like the new curtains. I like that they're a lot lighter. I think they do brighten the space, but it just kind of makes me want to paint the green more. Let me know what you guys think. Honestly, I'm like I am so truly on the fence about the green. I just don't know. Like I said, throughout the video there'll be like some wider shots so you guys can see like the color of the green and see how the new curtains look. But for as far as cleaning goes, this is actually day 2 of filming. This is the second day, and after I had hung up those curtains, I was just being super lazy, so I just like threw the old curtains on the chair and I left the ironing board up. I just didn't care. So now I'm going to put all that back together. I'm actually going to be cleaning the windows and the dining room sliders. So, like I said, you'll be able to see the curtains. I'm going to put my living room back together, and then I'm actually going to move on into my kitchen.
Tell me something. Do you regret it? Hanging all your dreams like coats on the way we had it. Tell me something. Are we pretending like this 3-year dead end road is still something magic? 'Cause I don't wanna be the one holding you down. I'll never belong here wearing a crown. I gave everything, but I know better now. I gotta let go. I just wish I knew how. I just wish I knew how. I gotta let go. I just wish I knew how. I just wish I knew how. There's no good reason to call it over. Just a feeling in my bones and I can't ignore it. Good on paper, ain't going nowhere. See that look inside your eyes and it's getting colder. I've been getting dizzy from all this back and forth. Tell me, am I losing my head or losing my heart? 'Cause I don't know what's worse. I just know that I don't wanna be the one holding you down. I'll never belong here wearing a crown. I gave everything, but I know better.
So I am ending this cleaning video in my kitchen. Really nothing exciting here, guys. I'm just going to be putting the space back together. It was just a little chaotic from the past couple of days, so I just wanted to put everything back where it belongs, get some dishes done, and just kind of like hit the reset button on my kitchen. But yeah, I'm going to let some music play for the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope it motivated you and inspired you to tackle your to-do list today and get whatever you need to get done. I try my best to post every Friday. So Friday is actually my big like cleaning and grocery shopping day, as well as like meal prepping and stuff like that. I know a lot of people do it on Sunday, so I do post on Sundays as well, but um, I really encourage you that if you have the ability to actually switch it and do all your cleaning and your like meal prep and grocery shopping on Fridays. It has been like absolutely life changing for me. Like I said, I used to do it on Sundays too, but what I found is that when Friday would roll around, we would, the house would be like trashed and we would have no food because I hadn't gone grocery shopping yet. So that just kind of led to us spending a lot of extra money on the weekends and eating out a lot. So I started doing all of my prep on Fridays, whether that be like grocery pickup or like, cleaning of the main floor of the home. And it's just like the best feeling in the entire world to roll into the weekend with a super clean house and like a full fridge and meals planned. And I absolutely love it. So that's what I do on Fridays. I just wanted to share that with you. But yeah, like I said, thanks so much for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I hope you are motivated and inspired to, like I said, tackle your to-do list. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I wanna know your dark side. I wanna know your secrets. I wanna be your lifeline. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Tell me you're more than just a highlight. Pretty pictures on the outside. I hate to stare at you through these lights. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Oh, oh, this ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial. This ain't love, no, no. This ain't love, no, no. This is artificial. I wanna know you inside and out. Wanna know what's behind the light. Wanna feel that real love from within. Let me in. I want real love, real highs. You're just enough to get me through. Get me through. 'Cause you're officially perfect for me. So wait for you, wait for you. Up all night thinking, passing the time, anxiously waiting. You're on my mind, losing and winning. You can't get it right. Hoping you see me for more than just night. Up all night thinking, am I on your mind? Will you come meet me and change my life? This love could be deeper, just sinking. Will you love me? Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Addicted to you. 15, I remember the car rides, small fights, conversations all night. I never saw you as anything more than a friend, but now I see you in a new light.